them perform in 24-hour and in 10-minute play festival. And understudy roles in Quality Street and Angels in America Part 2 Perestroika. But now, they take center stage. I mean center floor in the acting studio in Streetcar Chopped and Screwed. Featuring performances by Marcella Grace Michalakes, Jacob E., Liam Stilson, Marco Liguori, Katherine Jarema, Eva Isadora Hellerbach, and Robbi Fryer. Performing in student-written and directed scenes, under the artistic direction of Shaun Dillion, and produced by Anjanette All. So be there, 10 a.m. on Thursday, December 8th in the acting studio.